Good afternoon, guys. You're here with Teacher Satya, yes? Teacher Satya, Mr. Satya. You can call me however you want. I'm really excited to teach you guys now. Hope you're all doing fine. Hope you're all doing fine. So as you guys can see, today we will be learning about algebraic expressions, okay? We'll be learning about algebraic expressions, and we will be talking about how to multiply algebraic expressions, all right, guys? We'll be talking about how to multiply algebraic expressions, all right? So first of all, what we're going to do is, hello, guys. So I have your chats on my other monitor here. So I can see your chat while I am teaching you guys, okay? So whenever I ask you a question or anything, you can type your answer down, all right, guys? Very, very happy to see you. I see many of you guys joined. Hello, guys. Very nice to meet you guys. All right. In Thailand, it's good afternoon. So good afternoon to you all. All right, guys. So first of all, let us start off by algebra. I hope you guys know what do we mean by algebra, right? So let's say we have any expression, x, y, z, followed by any number. We would call that algebra. So in this case, we will be multiplying algebraic expressions. So I have many questions for you. So let us take it step by step. All right, guys. In question number 1, all right, question number 1, what we have is we are going to multiply the monomials with the monomials, all right? So when we talk about monomials, it means when the algebra has only one term, all right? Monomials means one term, all right, guys? So in step number 1, what we have is we have 3x, right? 3x multiplied with 4x. 3x multiplied with 4x. Hello, all of you guys. So in this case, guys, we'll always start with the basics, and slowly the questions will keep getting harder and harder. All right, guys. So what we will do in this case is, it's minus 4x. So what we'll do is, guys, first we'll be multiplying the numbers, followed with multiplying the variables, all right? So if you don't know what do we mean by variable, it's pretty much all the alphabets we have in algebra, all right, guys? So x, y, z, a, b, c, all of these are called variables, all right? So in this case, guys, what do we have? 3 multiplied by 4 is going to give us 12, right, guys? 3 times 4 is going to give us 12. But keep in mind, there is a negative 4x here, right? Negative 4x. So the answer will also be negative 12, all right, guys? And then we will be multiplying the x, right? So x multiplied by x is going to give us x squared, right? X squared. So our final answer would be negative 12x squared, all right, guys? Negative 12x squared, all right, guys? Now here's where many students make mistakes, okay? They only write it as x, but when we multiply them, x multiplied by x will be x squared, all right, guys? Now let us go to question number 2, all right? Let us go to question number 2. So we have 5a, right? 5a multiplied with negative 6b. 5a multiplied with negative 6b, all right, guys? So in this case, again, what we're going to do, right? We are going to multiply the numbers with the numbers, right? So 5 multiplied by negative 6 is going to give us negative 30, right, guys? 5 multiplied by negative 6 is negative 30. And we are going to multiply the variables now, right? Multiply the variables. So a multiplied by b is going to give us ab, right? ab. So our final answer is negative 30 ab. Negative 30 ab. All right, guys, following up, negative 30 AB, all right? Now, in question number 1, I see many of you guys writing it as minus 12x. Sir, what is x squared? So x squared, when we break it down, right, is same like x multiplied by x, right? In other words, let's say we have 3 square. So 3 square means 3 multiplied by 3, all right, guys? So when we take something and multiply with the same thing, we write it as square, right? When we multiply with the same thing 2 times. So for example, if we have 4 to the power of 3, right? 4 cubed. This is same like 4 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 4. All right, guys? Same as if we have x cubed. X cubed is same like x multiplied with x multiplied with x. All right, guys? X multiplied with x multiplied with x. Hope you're all following now till now. Very good. I see many of you guys are understanding very quickly. Very, very good, guys. Now let us go to question number 3. All right, let's go to question number 3. So we have 2ab multiplied with negative 6a square b square. Now here it may get a bit complicated, right? It may get a bit complicated, but do not panic. Do not panic at all right? So first of all, we will be multiplying the numbers with the numbers, all right? When we're going to multiply numbers with the numbers. So 2 multiplied by negative 6. Who can write it down? What is 2 multiplied by negative 6, guys? Let me see. 2 multiplied by negative 6. I see the answer. Very, very good. I see the correct answer. Jayashri. Very, very good. 2 multiplied by negative 6 will give us negative 12, right, guys? 2 multiplied by negative 6 is negative 12. Now we will be taking a and multiply with a square, okay? Maybe I can write it down right here. So a multiplied with a square, right? And then we're going to take b and multiply with b square. B multiplied with b square, all right? Very good, Jayashri and everyone else. You're getting the correct answer. The chat is about 30 seconds delayed, right? I think about 30 seconds. So when I ask you a question, I see the answers about 30 seconds delayed, right? But very good, guys. I see many of you guys writing the correct answer. Very, very good. Now, in this case, guys, if you have learned about laws of exponents, right? If you learn about the laws of exponents, we know that a to the power of n multiplied with a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n plus m, right? Is equal to a to the power of n plus n. Same like if we have a to the power of 2, in this case, let's say a to the power of 1 multiplied with a to the power of 2, right? This is same like a to the power of 1 plus 2, which is equal to a to the power of 3, guys, all right? Which is equal to a to the power of 3. In this case, we will use that law right here, all right? So we have negative 12. A times a square will give us a to the power of 3 using the laws of exponents, right? And b multiplied by b square will also give us b to the power of 3. All right, guys. So our final answer would be negative 12 a cube b cube. All right, guys. Will be negative 12 a cube b cube. Very good, guys. As I said, your chat is about 20 to 30 seconds delayed, right? So if I ask a question now, I see the chat about 20 seconds later, all right? So just keep typing it down. I will see it as we go, all right? All right, guys, now let us go to the next question. Let me move this question down. All right, let me move this question down a bit so we can create some space. All right, now let's go to question number 4. Let's go to question number 4, boys and girls. All right, I see many of you guys are answering correctly. Excellent, guys. Very, very good job. Very, very good. All right, now next one is pretty easy. So we have 7x squared, right? 7x squared multiplied with negative 1 over 7y, all right? 1 over 7y, correct? Now, I hope you guys remember how to multiply fractions, right? How to multiply fraction. So what do we have here, guys? Let me break it down for you, yeah? So we are going to multiply the numbers, right? So we have 7 multiplied with negative 1 over 7, right? We are first multiplying the numbers first. And then here we have x squared multiplied with y, right? X squared multiplied with y. Now, if you take a look at this, guys, when we multiply the fractions, right? This 7 and 7 can simplify itself, right? It will simplify itself. Therefore, the whole number that we have is just negative 1, right? It's negative 1. And for the variables, x squared multiplied by y will give us x squared y, right? So for this one, we have negative 1 x squared y. And usually, guys, in algebra, we don't write the number 1 in front of the terms, right? So we would just write it as negative x squared y. We will just write it as negative x squared. All right, guys, negative x squared, guys. Are you guys following up till now, guys? All of you guys following up, yes or no? Let me see in the chat. Let me know if you guys are following up till now. I see many of you guys writing the answers down. Let me see. Deepak Shrikant, very good. Deepak Shrikant, very good. Jai Shri, very good. You just forgot a negative. Very good, guys. Now, let me know who knows my name, okay? Let me know who knows my name, all right? Let's see who knows my name. Before we start number 5, let us see who knows my name and type it down, okay? Let us see that. All right, let's see who knows my name. I see a lot of you. That's great, guys. You're doing very, very good. Good job, guys. Very, very good. Very, very good. All right, let us go to question number 5. All right, let us go to question number 5. Oh, I see many of you guys. Oh, very, very good, guys. You do know my name then. Very, very good. Very good, guys. Some of you guys are writing it wrong, huh? It is just Satya, right? But anyway, very good. All right, guys. Now, this can be a bit more tricky, right? Question 5 can be a bit more tricky. So pay good attention, okay? So we have 2 over 3 x square y cube z multiplied with, let me use the multiply like this, right? So we don't get confused. Multiplied with negative 9 over 6 x y square z raised to the power of 5. Z raised to the power of 5. I'm very happy, guys, that you guys know my name. Very good. Very good. All right, guys. Now, again, always, guys, in maths, it's always good to do step by step. All right, very good to do step by step. Even if it takes a minute more, very good to do step by step. So let's see what we have here, right? So we have 2 over 3. Oh, that 2 looks like a Z. 2 over 3 multiplied with negative 9 over 6, right, guys? So let's multiply oh, it's 16. Thank you. Very good. Thank you, Quensil Creations. It is 16. I wrote the fraction wrong. All right. And now we are going to multiply the variables, right? We are going to multiply the variables. Thank you, guys, for noting that out. And then we have, what do we have, guys? We have x square, right? X square multiplied with x, okay? And then we have y cube multiplied with y cube multiplied with y square, right, guys? And then we have multiplied with z multiplied with z to the power of 5, right? Multiplied with z to the power of 5. Jaya Prada Anand. Yes, 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 Da. I am in Thailand. I've been living in Thailand for 21 years now, yes? I've been living in Thailand for 21 years now. All right, now let us see. Let's see now. Take a look at the fractions, guys. Can anything simplify? Now keep in mind, in fraction, we can only simplify the top and the bottom, right? We cannot simplify top with the top or bottom with the bottom. We can only simplify the numerator with the denominator, right? So what can simplify, guys? If you take a look at it, 2 and 16 can simplify, right? So 2 will change to 1 and 16 will change to 8, right, guys? 2 will change to 1 and 16 will change to 8, right, guys? Here also, we can simplify 3 and 9, right? 3 will change to 1 and this 9 will change to 3, right, guys? This 9 will change to 3. So now, once we have simplified a fraction, we can easily multiply it, right? So 1 multiplied by negative 3 is going to give us negative 3, right, in the numerator. And in the denominator, we have 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8, right? 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. And again, guys, do not forget the negative sign. Right? Here's where many students make the mistake, all right? Now let us multiply the variables, all right? So x square multiplied by x will give us x cube, right, guys? X cube, following the laws of exponents, right? Y cube times y square is going to give us y to the power of 5. Right, guys? When the bases are the same, we just add the exponents. And finally, z to the power of 1 or z multiplied with z to the power of 5 will give us z to the power of 6. All right, guys? Z to the power of 6. And let me extend the fraction like this. All right, guys? There you go. And here's where many students make mistakes. Now, when they see z multiplied by z to the power of 5, right? They just write it as z to the power of 5, not knowing that z means z to the power of 1 also, right? It also means z to the power of 1. You're doing pretty good, guys. Very good. All right. So this is how we multiply monomials with monomials. All right, guys. Monomials with monomials. Very easy. Now, okay, who can tell me that who got this question right? Can anyone tell me if you guys got this question right? Let me see. And again, guys, I've never gone to a live stream. This is my first time. It's okay, no problem. You just come, you have a pen. This is my writing pen, right? You have a book and you just learn with me. We just learn. That's it, right? And let's see how many of you guys got it correct. Let's see if anyone got this one correct. If you did, please type it down. I'm eagerly looking forward for it. Yes? Me. Oh, wow. Good job. Very good. I have 2 me's now. Good job, guys. Very, very good. And of course, if you got it wrong, it is okay. Don't worry about it, right? Here we are here to learn. If you got it wrong, we'll keep doing until you get it correct. All right? Very, very good, guys. Wow. Very, very good. Now, let us go to the next one. All right. Let me move this a bit down so we have more space. All right. Here we go. Very good, guys. Very, very good. All right. Now, let us do maybe just 3 more questions of monomial. Krisha, not me, sir. It is okay. If you got it wrong, do not worry, okay? Do not worry at all. All right, guys. So let us do maybe question 9, okay? Let's do question 9. We'll do question 9. And then we will do question 12, okay? So for monomial times monomial, we will do these 2 questions, okay? And now, after this, we'll go into multiplying monomials with binomials, okay, guys? Monomials with binomials, okay? So let me write the question down. Very good, guys. Liquid creations, very good. Hello, Srisha. I'm a kind teacher, huh? Thank you. That's what usually my students also tell me. Very, very good. Good job, guys. Wow, you guys are very good. All right, let me write the question down, okay? Let me write the question down. So we have negative 19 over 45. Negative 19 over 45, xyz multiplied with 90 over 57 x, right? 90 over 57 x. Okay. So in this question, guys, we will only do question 9 and question 12. All right. All right. Sarve Srinivas, you guys seem to be enjoying a lot. Very good. Really interesting. Can't get my eyes off. That's very good, guys. I like teaching you guys too. You guys seem like a very good batch. All right. So again, guys, if you remember, we are going to multiply the numbers first, right? So let's write it down. So minus 19 over 45 multiplied with 90 over 57, right? 90 over 57. And then we have x, y, z. So we are going to take x, y, z multiplied with x, right, guys? So numbers with numbers and the variables with the variables, right? You got the answer already. Good job. Very good. And if we take a look at it, guys, we can simplify them, right? 45 and 90 can simplify, right? So 45 will change to 1, 90 will change to 2, right, guys? And now again, 19 will change to 1 and 57 will change to 3, right, guys? All right. Now, minus 1 times 2 is going to give us minus 2 or negative 2 over 1 times 3 is going to give us 3, right, guys? 1 times 3 is going to give us 3. And then x, y, z multiplied by x will give us x square y, z. There we go. That is our answer. Very, very easy. Very, very easy, right, guys? Very, very easy. Not difficult at all. Very good. Uma Redmi. Very, very good. Very good. And also, guys, usually in these kind of things, they always the final answer, right? Usually they would want you to simplify it to the lowest terms, right? They would want you to simplify it to the lowest terms. All right. Now let's go to question number 12. Let's go to question number 12. So what do we have here? So we have 3 over 5, right? 3 over 5 multiplied with minus 5 over 6 multiplied with 5 over 3, right guys? So multiplying the number with the number. Good job guys. If you guys are finding it easy, you guys understand it very good. Very good. Right? And now we have x multiplied with x multiplied with x, right guys? Then we have y multiplied with y multiplied with y square. And then we have z multiplied with z, right guys? Z multiplied with z. So what would we have here guys? Let's see if anything can simplify, right? Let's see if anything can simplify. So if you take a look at this, 3 and 3 are gone, right? They're gone. Boom, gone. And 5 and 5 are also gone, right? They'll all change to 1. So what do we have here, guys? We just have negative 5 over 6, right? Negative 5 over 6. It's 16, right? 16. Thank you for letting me know again. I don't know why I keep seeing 16 as 6 all the time. So it's negative 5 over 16, right? Negative 5 over 16. Now x times x times x is going to be x to the power of 3, right? X to the power of 3. Y times y square is going to give us y to the power of 4, right guys? Y to the power of 4. And z times z is going to give us z to the power of 2, right? Z to the power of 2. So this would be our final answer, boys and girls, right? Again, I don't know why I'm seeing 6 as 16 all the time. Maybe I should start wearing glasses, huh? All right, guys. Now let us go to the next one. All right. Now in this one, guys, let's find a product of the following. Okay, let's find a product. We'll not try to do all the question. Let's try to do maybe question 2 of this. Question 2 and question 4. Okay, question 2 and 4. Question 2 and 4, guys. Okay, so question number 2. Question number 2. Very good, guys. If you got it correct, very good. So what do we have here, boys and girls? We have 2 over 3 multiplied with negative 9 over 4, right? Multiplied with 1 over 3, right guys? 1 over 3. And now we are going to multiply the variables. So we have a square times a times a, and then we have b multiplied with b square multiplied with b, right guys? And then we just have a single c square. That's it. It's all alone by itself. C square is all alone by itself. All right, so let's see if we can simplify. What can simplify, boys and girls? What can simplify? 2 and 4 can simplify, right? 2 will change to 1 and 4 will change to 2, right guys? 2 will change to 1 and 4 will change to 2. Now 3 and 9 can also simplify, right? So this 3 will change to 1 and this 9 will change to 3, right guys? And we see that this 3 and 3 can also simplify. This 3 will change to 1 and this 3 will change to 1 also, right? So in the numerator, what do we have? We have a negative 1 over, in the denominator we have a 2, right? Negative 1 over 2, right? And then let's write the variables down. So a squared times a is a to the power of 4, right? B squared times b is equal to b to the power of 3, and then we have c squared. Now usually, guys, it is always good to write the variables in the format of the highest raised to the power of value to the lowest. So it's better to write this as minus 1 over 2 a to the power of, oh, it's already written in the proper format, right? So there we go. All right, so if it is not, we can just swap the terms, right? It's always good to write it from the highest power to the lowest power. All right, guys, very good, guys, very good. Very good. Now let's go to number 4. Now the next one, if I am not mistaken, it is you're going to multiply binomials with monomials. Okay, so before we go there, who knows the distributive property? Who knows the distributive property? Who knows the distributive property, guys? If you know distributive property, let me know in the comment that you know, right? So I know it. All right, so again, number 4. So what do we have here? Nice to see questions rearrange numbers and variables in separate group. Very, very good. Yes. Always, as I said, guys, maths is all about writing it step by step, right? Writing it step by step. Many of you guys know distributive property. Very good. So the next one will be that much more easier. And if you're liking the video till now, guys, I would highly appreciate if you can press that like button, right? Press that like button and press the subscribe button. So whenever I upload videos, right, you can be notified. I upload videos, at least 3-4 videos in a week relating to grade 7, 8, 9, 6. All right. So if you subscribe and you click that bell button, you will always be notified. All right. You'll always be notified. All right. So what do we have here, boys and girls? So we have negative 2 over 9 multiplied with negative 2 over 9, right? Multiplied with negative 90 over 19 multiplied with nothing, right? And now let's go to the variable. So we have multiplied with x square multiplied with x, right? And then we have y multiplied with y square. And then we just have a negative ABC, right? So negative ABC. So it's same like negative 1 ABC, right? Negative 1 ABC, right? Negative 1 ABC. All right. What can simplify here, guys? What can simplify here? Let me know. What can simplify here? Who can tell me? What can simplify in the numbers? What can simplify in the numbers? Let's see what can simplify in the, let me know what can simplify in it. Michael Jack. All right, guys. So 9 and 90. Very good. 9 and 90. So 9 will change to 1 and 90 will change to 10. Very good, right? All right. So what do we have? A negative 2 multiplied with negative 10 is going to give us 20, right? 20 over 1 times 19 will give us 19, right? 1 times 19 is going to give us 19. Now let us multiply this, right? So x squared times x is x to the power of 3. Y times y squared is y to the power of 3. And we have a negative ABC, right, guys? Negative ABC. So what we're going to do is we are going to bring this negative in front of the term, right? We'll bring this negative in front of the term. So we will have negative 20 x cube y cube ABC over 19, and that would be our final answer, guys. Okay, so if I'm going too fast, let me know, okay? So I can slow it down, all right? So I can slow it down so you guys understand it a bit more, all right? So you guys understand it now. If you don't understand anything anywhere, type it down, okay? I'm looking at the comment in my other screen. I can easily differentiate between the comment and what I'm teaching right now. So if you don't understand anything, type it down, okay? Type it down, all right? So the final answer for this one is negative 20 x cube y cube ABC over 19. Do not forget this negative, okay? Do not forget this negative, all right, guys? All right, guys. So next one, we are going to go to binomials with monomials, okay? Binomials with monomials. So what is the distributive property? So let us talk about the distributive property, all right? Somebody put the dislike to this video. It's okay. Not that everyone will like it, right? If they don't like it, it's okay. No problem, right? We can't ask everyone to like it, right? There'll always be 1 or 2 spoiled eggs in the basket. So don't worry about it. The speed is perfect. You can understand. Should we always put the variables on the numerator? Yes, good question. You always put the variables in the numerator, right? Always the variables, we always write it in the numerator, and always we write it in the order of largest to smallest, all right? Largest to smallest power, okay? Very good, guys. Very, very good. All right, now let's talk about distributive property. So here, let's say I have A multiplied by B plus C, right? A multiplied by B plus C. What this means is we take A multiplied with every term inside the bracket, all right? Every term inside the bracket, right? So A multiplied by B is going to give us AB, right, guys? A multiplied by B is going to give us AB. And A multiplied by positive C is going to give us positive AC. Positive AC, all right, guys? Positive AC. Next one is A multiplied by B minus C. A multiplied by B minus C. A multiplied by B minus C. Again, we're going to do the same thing, right? So A times B is going to give us AB, right? And A multiplied with negative C is going to give us negative AC. Negative AC, all right, guys? Of course, when you break the brackets, make sure of the signs that are in front of the bracket, all right? Very, very, very important. This is where many students make mistakes, all right, guys? So let's talk about number 9. So we are going to multiply 5b plus 9 with 7b, all right? Oh, many of you already know distributive property. Very, very good. So what do we have here, boys and girls? We have 7b, number 1, right? 7b multiplied with 5b plus 9. All right, the first couple of questions, guys, I'm going to do it in step by step, all right? Step by step, so you guys understood everything. All right, next one, guys. So what do we have? 7b multiplied with 5b, right? 7b multiplied with 5b, right, guys? And since there is a positive sign here, everything will be positive, right? So we have 7b multiplied with 9, right? So plus 7b multiplied with 9, right? We're taking the term in front of the bracket, multiplying with inside the bracket, right, guys? All right, so what do we have here? So we have 7b times 5b will give us 35b squared, right? 35b squared plus 7b times 9 will give us 63b. Finished, guys. That's all. Finished, right? Finished. Very, very easy. Right, guys? So first couple of questions will be very easy. It's going to get harder and harder as we go, all right? Let's go to question number 2. Let us go to question. See, at first, if you guys took a look at it, right? I think somebody hit the dislike button. There was, I think, 4 dislike. And now there's only 1 dislike, right? So they changed their mind, I think. Very good that you changed your mind. All right, so what do we have here, guys? What do we have here? We have negative 3a squared. Negative 3a squared multiplied with negative 13a plus 6b. Right, guys? Negative 13a times 6b. So what do we have here? So I'm going to take this and multiply with this, right? I'm seeing you guys comment. It's kind of funny. So what do we have here, guys? So negative 3 multiplied with negative 13, right? And then a square times a. For the first one, right, guys? A square times a. And then what do we have here? Plus, right? Negative 3 multiplied with a 6, and then we have a square multiplied with b, right, guys? Multiplied with b. So what do we have here? So negative 3 times negative 13 is going to give us positive 39, right? Positive 39, right? And then a square times a would give us a cube, right, guys? Would give us a cube. And going to the next one, now take a look at this, guys. So plus times minus will give us minus, right? So this one will be minus, right? Will be minus. And now what do we have? 3 times 6 is going to give us 18. And we'll have a square b, right? A square multiplied by b is a square b. Now, there we go, guys. There we go. It would be nice if numbers are enclosed in simple brackets. Not bad. Not a bad idea. All right. Let us go to question Let's go to question 5 and 6, okay? Let us do question 5 and 6 now. All right, guys, let's do question 5 and 6. So what do we have here? Question 5. So we have negative 2 over 3, right? X cubed y to the power of 4 multiplied with negative 3 over 2 x square y plus 5 over 7 xy square, right guys? xy square. Very good, guys. All right. Now, again, let me move this a bit down so we have more space. All right, let's move this a bit down. All right, guys. Now, what do we have here? We are going to multiply the term in front of the bracket with the term in the inside the bracket, right? So let's multiply the numbers first. So negative 2 over 3 multiplied with negative 3 over 2, right? And then we are going to multiply the variables, right? So we have x cubed y to the power of 4 times x square, right guys? Times x square. And now plus again negative 2 over 3 multiplied with 5 over 7, and again we have x cubed y to the power of 4 multiplied with x y square. Now let's see how many of you guys get this answer correct, okay? I'll wait for you guys to get the answer correct. Do not forget to simplify it, okay? Do not forget to simplify it. And let's see, boys and girls. Let me have some water. Been talking for 30 minutes now. All right, so let us simplify the terms. All right, guys, let us simplify the terms. So 3 and 3 are gone, bye-bye. 2 and 2 are gone, bye-bye, right? And again, negative. So this will be negative 1 multiplied with negative 1, which will leave us with 1, okay? It will leave. Let me write 1 for now. Let me write as 1 for now. Now, x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 will give us x to the power of 5, right? And then we have y to the power of 4. So the first term, we are done. First term, we are done, right, guys? First term, we are done. All right. And what do we have here? Going to the next one. So negative 2 times 5 is going to give us negative 10. So negative 10 over 3 times 7 will give us 21, right? 3 times 7 is going to give us 21, right, guys? Now, x cubed times x is going to give us x to the power of 4. Y to the power of 4 times y squared will give us y to the power of 6. I missed a y. Where did I miss a y? Let's see. Where did I miss a y? Where did I miss a y, huh? Let's see, guys. Y cube and then negative 3 over 2 x square y plus 5 over 7 xy square. Where did I miss a y? Let's see where I missed it. Oh, I forgot the y here, right? Ah, right here, multiplied by y. Okay. Thank you, guys. Very good. Multiplied by y. So here we will have y to the power of 5 then. Y to the power of 5. I got it now. Very good, guys. Thank you for letting me know. Right. Thank you for letting me know. And then what do we have here? Where was I now? So x to the power of 4. Oh, we are finished now. Very good, guys. See, even I can make a mistake. See, when writing it fast, even the teacher can make a mistake. So you guys will be try to do it as slow as possible, okay? All right, let's go to the next one, guys. Let's go to the next one. Let's see how many of you guys got it correct for this one. Can you type it down, please? How many of you guys got it correct, guys? By the way, guys, about 21 years ago, right? About 21 years ago, I used to study in the same school you guys are studying now. I used to study there from kindergarten up to class 4, Hindu Senior Secondary School. I used to study there, guys. So it's pretty nice to, it's a pretty nice memory if you would ask me. Did anyone know that? Wow, many of you guys are getting it correct. Very good, boys and girls. Very good, Rupesh, Sarvesh, Tarun, Premalata, Gautam, Raj. Wow, you guys are, many of you guys are getting it correct. Very, very good, guys. Very, very good. Good job, Krisha. This time I got it right. Very, very good. Very, very good, guys. Yes, 21 years ago. That is correct. You got it right. Very good. Very, very good, sir. Yes, I used to study in Hindu Senior Secondary School long time ago when I was a kid, from kindergarten to class 4. When I was there, the canteen was just building up, and there used to be some uncle selling mango with pickles for 1 rupee. I used to always go there and buy it. Brings out a lot of memories. Not sure if that is still there, huh? Do you guys still have that uncle selling mango pickle? If it's there, it'll be very good. Still is there after 21 years, huh? Why did you leave from the school? I moved to the country there. My parents got a job in Thailand 21 years ago. That's fine. All right. All right, let's go to question number 6. All right, question number 6. Question number 6. So we have minus 5 over 6 x y z cube. Oh, so that mango guy is not there anymore, huh? There are always groundnuts, Subaratra. It's very sad, huh? You guys are missing out the mango guy. It used to be very, very yummy. Multiplied with 9 over 7 x cube y z minus 7 over 5 x y cube z. All right? X, y. Do you know Tamil? Of course, Tamil தெரியும். நான் தமிழியன் தானே. Tamil பேச தெரியும், but write and read பண்ண தெரியாது. I do have a pretty weird Tamil accent though. One auntie is selling. Ah, interesting. 2. All right, let's get to this, boys and girls. Let's get to this. You missed the groundnuts. Very good, Gautam. You know Hindi? Thoda. Don't know too much, huh? Just thoda, not too much. But Tamil fulla பேச தெரியும். Tamil fulla பேச தெரியும். But Hindi அவ்வளவு வராதுடா. என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Thai language, yes. Thai language, I can read, I can write, I can speak. என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Thai language தெரியும், but என்னோட language பேச தெரியாது. Read and write பண்ண தெரியாது. Others கிட்ட போய் சொல்லிடாத, ஓகேவா? Do you miss our school? Yeah, kind of, yes. Every time I go to India, I just walk past the school. Yes, I am living in Thailand now. That is, whenever I go to Chennai, I always make a trip and go through a school, because my old house used to be in Indranagar, 9th lane. All right, coming back to studies. Let's get to this, okay? And then we can talk more. Let's get to this, boys and girls. I will speak some word after that. My Tamil is very funny. என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? இல்லையா? When I was there, I used to know Hindi also. I used to write and know everything, right? But I totally forgot.
It's very funny.
All right, let's get to this, boys and girls, okay? Let's multiply this, okay? I will talk in Thai language after this, okay? After we finish this question, if many of you guys get the correct answer, I'll talk in Thai with you, okay? my voice changed when you speak Tamil. So it's good voice or bad voice? All right, let me get to this, okay? So we have minus 5 over 6 multiplied with 9 over 7. All right, 5, and then we have x, y, z cube multiplied with x cube y squared. This time I'm writing it slowly so I do not miss any variable. Okay, let us get some space here. Let's get some space here. And now what do we have? We have negative 5 over 6 multiplied with negative 7 over 5, right guys? Negative 7 over 5. What do we have? You guys keep talking too much. I keep getting distracted, huh? I'm going to stop reading the comments for about 2 minutes now. All right, you guys keep distracting me. All right, where was I now? Multiply now. Okay, multiply the variable. So x, y, z cube multiplied with x, y cube z. Okay, x, y cube z. All right, so let us see if anything can simplify, boys and girls. Can anything simplify? Let's see here. 6 and 9 can simplify, right? So 6 will change to 2 and 9 will change to 3, right guys? All right. So what do you, oh, you guys want to chat with me after the session? Sure, we'll see what can be done. All right. So let's multiply this, guys. Let's multiply this. Minus 5 times 3 will give us negative 15, okay? Over 2 times 7 is 14, right guys? 2 times 7 is 14. Now x times x cube is going to give us x to the power of 4. Y times y squared is going to give us y to the power of 3. And then we have z cube, all right? Z cube is alone by itself, all right? Now here, guys, we see that 5 and 5 can simplify, right? 5 and 5 can simplify. Now, so we have minus 1 times minus 7 will give us positive 7 over 6, right? Positive 7 over 6 because minus times minus will give us positive, right? And then let's multiply the variables. So x times x is going to give us x squared. Y times y cube is going to give us y to the power of 4. Z cube times z is going to give us z to the power of 4, boys and girls, right? Z to the power of 4. All right. So there we go. Our question is done. Our question is done. Right? Our question is done. Now let me know if how much of you got it correct. Let me know how many of you got it correct. And again, guys, if you did not get it correct, it is totally fine. Okay, it is totally fine. Interaction code dealer. Am I a teacher in Thailand? Yes, I am a teacher in Thailand. I'm a certified bona fide high school mathematics teacher in Thailand. Been teaching here for almost 10 years now in an international school that follows the Canadian curriculum. Oh, so many me's, so many me's. Very good, guys. Very, very good. Sir, teach trigonometry. You go to my channel. I have many videos about trigonometry. Go and check it out after the class. Part 2, you didn't get it right. It is totally fine. Part 2, no problem. How many hours session? Well, I plan to keep going for a while. I'm enjoying it till now. I'm enjoying it till now. All right. Now let us go to. So we have completed these 2 questions. All right. Very good, guys. Many of you guys are getting it correct. Now we are going to the next one. We are going to the next one. We are going to the next one, right? By the way, how is this shirt, huh? Very, very good, guys. What? Very good. See, I was just talking to in Thai with my wife. I was just talking in Thai. All right, guys. So whenever we hear, or well, not here, of course, we see the word simplify. All right. Whenever we see or hear the word simplify, that means we have to add up the like terms, right? Sir, are you feeling happy, proud to teach your mother? Of course I am. Of course, makes me very, very happy. Of course I am. Especially when I went to that school. Very, very happy. All right. So first of all, guys, so what we are going to do is we are going to use the distributive property to break the bracket. Okay, many of you said you'll talk in Thai with us. Okay, what do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? So let's say hello, right? Hello means sawadee kap. Hello means sawadee kap, right? I'm actually more fluent in Thai than Tamil. Actually, I'm more fluent in Thai than Tamil. All right, guys. So whatever you want to type it down, I will take a look at it soon. Okay, guys. All right. So let us break the brackets, boys and girls. All right. Let's break the brackets down. So first, we're going to multiply 2x with x, right? So 2x times x is going to give us 2x squared. So now, guys, I'm going to go a bit fast, right? So because I see that you guys, your basics are very, very good, right? Your basics, sawadika, that is correct. That is for girls. Very, very good. Sawadika is for girls. Very good. Liquid creations. Good morning in Thai. Good morning in Thai means sawadika. In Thai, we don't have morning, afternoon, evening, and all that. We don't have morning, afternoon. We just have like sawadi means hello. That's all. Konnichiwa is Japanese. Yes, konnichiwa. That is correct. It's Japanese. That's very good. All right, let's get to it, guys. Let us get to it. Okay, so 2x squared minus with 2x multiplied with y is going to give us 2xy. All right, guys. All right, 2xy. Now we are going to do the same thing with the second bracket. Right? We're going to do the same thing with the second bracket. So minus 3y times x is going to give us minus 3yx. And then minus 3y times y is going to give us minus 3y squared. Right? Minus 3y squared. Yes, I know a little bit of Japanese. Like few words. I only learned few words when I went to Japan a couple of years ago. Just few words, not too much. All right, guys. Now, simplify means once we break the bracket, we will be adding the like terms. All right. Now, let me know if there are any like terms here, or let me know if there are any like terms here. Let me comment it down if there are any like terms and what are the like terms. Let me see. In question number 1, what are the like terms and if there are any like terms. Let's see. Let me look at the answer. Let's see. I'm waiting for the comment, guys. If there are any like terms in this one. Sarvesh, Srinivas, no like. Well, let's see. What do we have? Saumya. Very good. Very good, Saumya. There are like terms. Very good. So guys, here we go. So in this one, we have x, y, and yx, right? Always keep in mind, okay? Why they are like terms. Take a look at this. If 2 times 3 is same like 3 times 2, right? 2 times 3 is same like 3 times 2. So it's the same. So however you swap the terms or the variables, the terms will be still like terms. All right, guys? Very, very good. Sadasivam. Very good. Very good. All right. So we can add them up. So minus 2xy minus 3yx will give us. So the answer is 2x squared minus 5xy minus 3y squared, right? So this minus 5xy, you can also write it as minus 5yx. It's the same. However you write it, it will be the same. All right, guys? Sawadee Tan. Jayanti Kumar. You're typing in Thai, huh? Sawadee Tan. Very good. Very, very good. All right, guys. So when we find the like terms, right, you can write the variables however you want. The answer will still be the same. All right. Now let's go to question number 2, boys and girls. Let's go to question number 2. Question number 2. All right. So what do we have here? We have x cubed minus y cubed minus with x square minus y square. All right, guys, x square minus y square. I'm going to give you guys 1 minute to try and solve this by yourself first, okay? I'm going to give you 1 minute. By the time I will quickly go to the toilet and come, okay, guys? I'll quickly go to the toilet and come. Finish this question, okay? I'll be back. All right, I am back. I am back. All right, guys. After this question, I'll ask you a question, and then let's see if you guys answer it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to break the bracket. So we have x cubed minus y cubed, and we are going to break this bracket, right? So minus x cubed plus, because minus times minus will give us plus, right, guys? So plus xy squared. Plus xy squared. All right, guys. Now let us see what are the like terms. If you take a look at this, boys and girls, we see that x cubed and this minus x cubed can simplify, right? X cubed minus x cubed will give us 0, right? Same like 1 minus 1 is 0, right, guys? So we will not write that part. And we have minus y cubed plus xy squared. So that would be our final answer. All right, guys. That would be our final answer. That would be our final answer. All right, before we go, so if you guys want to know more about me, right? If you want to know more about me, you can follow me on my Instagram. It's Teacher Satya, right? You search Teacher Satya. Yes, of course you can leave. Subhatra, Sarah, of course, guys. You can leave if you want to go, okay? Of course you can leave, all right, guys, if you want to go. And if you and for people who want to stay, you can stay, all right, guys. It's totally up to you. All right, guys. And again, if you want to know more about me, right? Follow my Instagram. It's called Teacher Satya. All right, guys. Teacher Satya. Maybe let me type it down. So if you write this down, you should be able to follow my Instagram so you would know more about me. All right, guys. Let me ask you a question. So 1 hour has passed by. If you want to continue learning, type 1. Okay. If you want to continue learning, type 1. If you want to end it here, type 2. All right. If you want to continue learning, type 1. If you want to end learning, type 2. Let me see the comments. You can also follow my TikTok, Teacher Satya, same. Let me type it down. Huh? Continue learning. Type 1 and learning type 2. I thought one do you ba? Subhatra, very good that you are understanding. Very good. Oh, about 90% are sure. About 90% are 1, huh? Or TikTok is banned. You can also go to my website. There you can see a little bit about me. There you can see a little bit. So website is, let me type it down, mathswithmr.sa.com. So if you go there, you can know about more about. I see that about 95% want to study more, right? All right, guys. So let's do a few more questions. Then let's do a few more questions. All right, let's do a few more questions. All right, very good, very good. All right, here we go. Here we go. Wow, about 90 to 95% want to study more. Huh? Very, very good, boys and girls. Very good. Again, guys, if you want to go, you can go. And if you want to see what you missed, right, you can just come back once you're finished and then just check the recorded session, right? It will be on my YouTube, right? So you can just go to my YouTube and then just start from where you stopped, right? You can just continue learning from where you stopped. All right, guys. So if you want to go anywhere now, you can go, and then you can just come back later whenever you're finished, today, tomorrow, whenever, and then continue from where you stop. All right, guys. All right, let's get to this one, guys. Now in this one, you see that. So again, guys, if you have something to do, you can go. If you're feeling hungry, of course you can bring stuffs and eat, right? Like me, I'm drinking tea right now. See, I'm also feeling thirsty, so I drink tea. All right, so let us get to this, guys. All right, let us get to this. All right, maybe these two will be the final questions. Okay. Bye bye, Legend Gaming. All right, these two will be the final questions. All right, for today. All right, guys. Let's go. So let us break the bracket. So we have 4a squared minus with. So minus 5 times a is minus 5a, right? And minus 5 times 3 is going to give us. You're most welcome. No problem. You can go. Don't worry. Right? Minus 5 times 3 is going to give us negative 15. Right, guys? Negative 15. All right, now let's break the second bracket. Plus 6a times a is 6a squared, and 6a times minus 9 is negative 54a, right? Bye bye, Revati, Ashok Kumar. Have a nice day. Bye bye. I will live maths every Saturday. Okay, I will live maths in every Saturday. So whenever I live, you can join. Okay, and if you want to learn more math, just check out my videos. I have topics on almost everything. All right. So let's see what like term do we have. Once we have this thing right here, right, it is always good if we arrange the terms, right, so we don't make any mistakes, right? So let us arrange the term. We have 4a squared, right, plus 6a squared, and then minus 5a minus 54a minus 15, right? Now we have arranged the term. Thank you, B. Nitu. I'm a nice teacher, huh? Thank you. You will definitely receive a lot of one only, sir. That's very nice to hear. All right, so we are almost at the final step, right? So now we can add up the like term. So this and this are the like terms, and this one and this one are the like terms, right? 4a squared plus 6a squared is 10a squared. 10a squared, right? No problem, Sasikala Ramkumar. No problem. And then minus 5a minus 54a will give us minus 59a, right, guys? Minus 59a. And then we have a negative 15. So this is our final answer, boys and girls. We are done. That's our final answer, right? Bye-bye, Sai Gayatri. No problem. Try. Also, don't forget to join next Saturday also. It will be helpful, okay? All right, here comes the last question of the day, guys. Last question of the day, all right? So we are going to break the bracket right here. We will break the bracket right here, right? So we have a multiplied by a squared is a to the power of 3. And then a multiplied by negative 1 is going to give us minus 1a. All right. So next Saturday I have exam, so I can't join. It's okay. If you have exam, you can always join later. All right. Don't worry. All right, next one. What do we have? We're going to multiply this with this. So minus b times b squared is going to give us minus b cubed. Minus b times minus 1 is going to give us positive 1b, right? Positive 1b. The link, I will always post the link on my YouTube channel, right? So if you just come to the YouTube channel, mainly if you subscribe, you'll get the notification immediately. And the last one, we have plus a cube plus b cube, right? Plus a cube plus b cube. Now let us rearrange this, guys, so we have the like terms next to each other, right? So we have a cube plus a cube, and then we have minus b cube plus b cube, right? And then we have minus 1a plus 1b, right? Minus 1a plus 1b. All right, guys. All right, next one, a cube plus a cube will going to give us 2a cube, right, guys? Because whenever there's a cube, that means the number in front of the term is 1, right? Now, minus b cube and plus b cube will simplify, will give us 0. And then we have minus a plus b. All right, guys. In algebra, whenever it is a 1, it is always good not to write a 1. All right, guys. Always good not to write a 1. All right, guys. So that will all be for today, I guess. That will all be for today. That will all be for today. Now, again, guys, if you want to know more about me, right, go here. Let me write a www.maths with Mr.Sa.com, right? So you can know more about my life. I update blogs there lately about my daily life, or at Instagram, teacher Satya. There you go, guys. ไม่ได้ยิน พูดดังๆดิมันไม่เข้าใจวันพุ่นพูดดังๆเลยNo problem. Thank you for watching. No problem. If you have any question, I'll stick around for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now you can ask me any question you want. Okay, guys. All right, so we're no problem, Akin Basu. So now 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me. All right, guys. Again, if you whenever you have any doubt in maths, right? My YouTube channel usually has almost everything about maths related. So you can just come and check out the videos, right? Bye-bye, bye-bye. Oh, you've been to Pattaya, huh, Padma? Did you like it there? Bye, Sudarshan. Do you remember any teacher in a school? I do remember Kamala, miss. I do remember Kamala, miss. No doubt in your learning, sir. Very good. Very good. Thank you, sir. Teaching very easy to understand. Very, very good. Speak Thai. Do you see me talking with my wife or speaking in Thai only? Sir, I'm not able to open your website. Let me see. Let me see if it's opening. Here we go. It is. Here we go. It should be right here. Thank you, sir. This class is very easy to understand. I'm very happy to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that. My dad is right now in Thailand due to medical service. Oh, I hope he's all right. Very good, Liquid Creations. Very good. That's okay, no problem. Sir, can you put more videos about math? Yes, I'll keep uploading very often. In 1 week, I'll upload 3 to 4 videos, right? So mainly if you subscribe and you press that notification button, right? Whenever I upload a video, you'll immediately get notified. And whatever you understand from the video, just comment it there, right? So I can remember you, right? Bye-bye, Manisha. Bye-bye. Danke. Yes, Abir. Kamala Devi, ma'am? No, I don't remember her. I don't remember her. Yes, all right. So as I said, if you want to know more about me, either you can go to my Instagram, Teacher Satya, or you can go to my website and then follow my Instagram. Very easy. Sir, you look different from your YouTube profile and live stream. So do I look better or do I look worse? Which one is it? Bye bye guys. Bye bye. เขาบอกบายแต่เขาก็ไม่ไปนะให้เขาอยู่ไปเลยไม่เป็นไรไม่เกี่ยว No problem guys. It was very nice teaching us. So again, I'll try to go live every week, right? Maybe next time I'll do grade 8 stuff and then grade 6 and then grade 9. So you can just come and join anyways. Tamil பேசணுமா என்ன தமிழ் பேசணுமா better. What is better? What are you guys typing better? No, I don't know Lalit and all. It's been too long, huh? 21 years.
ขอบคุณที่อยู่เคียงข้างกันในวันนี้
ใครขอบคุณที่อยู่เคียงข้างกันในวันนี้ No problem, Divya. Did you use Google Translate for that, Divya? No problem, Katsan Kingdom. No problem. Okay, in 4 more minutes, I will end the stream. All right, 4 more minutes, I will end the stream. My face is better now. Okay, good. Very good then. My website is very useful and informative. Thank you. ขายแม่งหมดเลยตอนนี้มีอะไรขายหมดอ่ะ I look better than profile, huh? Okay, that's good. Very good. Thank you.
So your website is very useful and informative.
Look good enough to become an actor or what? Or no?
เล่นจะดูไหม
รอเขาตอบ
เซ็นให้เราดี
Sir, say hello in Thai. Sawadee. Hello is Sawadee. What is my age now? Take a guess. How old do you think I would be? Take a guess and let me know. How old do you think I would be? Khop Kraptan, Sitam Lakshmi. No problem. No problem. Why your laptop here is showing wrong? Because this is followed the Buddhist calendar. So this is not following the 2020-21. This is following the Buddhist calendar. In Thailand, we follow the Buddhist calendar, right? So 2564 is 2021. Oh, many of you guys are writing 30. Did you guys talk together? Another 40 lampodra. Who's that? Liquid Creations. How did you put me as 40 years and all? Do I look 40 or what? No, I am 29. I'm 29.
เรามันยาถูกต้อง
I'm 29.
มีคนถูกด้วย
ใครอะยังไม่เห็นขึ้นเลย Saumya. You got it correct. Very good. Saumya, I am 29. How are you guys putting me at 40 and all, huh? Do I look 40 years old or what? Huh? Do 40 years old look like this?
Yes sir
In 2 minutes, I will end the stream. All right, guys, 2 more minutes, okay? 2 more minutes. No, sir. Okay, good. So I don't look that old, huh? I look old, but not that old, right? Okay, that's good enough. Anushki, yes, you did get it right. Good job.
Because you went to Thailand when you were 20พี่บอกอะไรคะเนี่ย
Oh.
8ไม่ใช่20
I came to Thailand when I was about 8 years old. All right, guys. Bye-bye. I think I will end the live session here. So every Saturday I will live. Okay, guys? Every Saturday I will live. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the lesson and you learned a lot, okay? Sir, my mom saw you and told that you look like a famous movie actor. Ooh. Okay, that's good then. Maybe one day you'll see me in a Tamil movie. Who knows? Sir, you look old because you have a long beard. Maybe. You are correct. You are correct. You are. Sir, can you show your wife? Maybe next time. Huh? Come next time, maybe I will. All right, guys. So that will all be for today. Okay, then. Next Saturday also I will be living maybe grade 8 stuff, so more hard. If you want to join, you're more than welcome to join, right? Also maybe grade 9 stuff or grade 10 or grade 6 or 7. All right, I will let you guys know. All right. Rana Dagubadi. Interesting. All right, guys. So I will be ending the live. All right, guys. See you next time. All right. Don't forget, if you want to know more, don't forget to follow my Instagram, Teacher Satya, or go to my website, mathswithmrsa.com. All right, guys. All right. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.